So I managed to get this piece of shit off. Put that bad boy on.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will strip them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen, boy, Billy is a minotaur. Beast mode when I'm zeroed in, nigga. Truth is, I ain't feeling you niggas. No wolf ticket, that's where I pump fear in these niggas. Lil internet niggas. King Philly is back in the stone. And I'll be damned if a dumb motherfucker try attacking my home. I much rather have a barrel to.
So I slacked on the AC bypass. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's actually pretty easy, so I'm gonna get to that right now. So what I did off camera was I loosened up the alternator so that the AC compressor is now like pretty much free. All I gotta do is unattach the hoses to wherever the fuck they go. So I managed to get this piece of shit off. Put that bad boy on. Just tightening the alternator down right now. I thought I had to take this bracket off right here, and come to find out this bolt right here is stripped. So I lined it up, and thank God I lined it up because it goes on the top of this bracket. And down here, the kid who had this shit, or the person that had this shit before me, snapped this bolt down here. Shit, if I did it, I would say I did it. I take pride in that shit, feel me? This is basically how it looks. I'm gonna get a new battery. I might relocate it to the trunk. This is all coming out. I'm just having a hard time with this. I honestly might just cut it and then just rip the rest out, and when I get to it, I get to it, you know what I'm saying? I don't have the right tools right now. But did a dolo by myself. Motherfucking VTAC, here. Well, that's the bypass for the AC. It has a little bit more response, but other than that, I gotta get my exhaust fixed. She's smoking. She's idling a little high. Whatever. That's the AC bypass. Like and subscribe. We're gonna do some more stuff. Stay tuned.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will strip them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen, boy, Billy is a minotaur. Beast mode when I'm zeroed in, nigga. Truth is, I ain't feeling you niggas. No wolf ticket, that's where I pump fear in these niggas. Lil internet niggas. King Philly is back in the stone. And I'll be damned if a dumb motherfucker